Madame Butterfly is the story of an American naval officer who marries a Japanese geisha in Nagasaki while he's stationed there. He goes back to America and Butterfly is left alone. He does return, but he brings terrible consequences. We're in week 1 of rehearsals at the moment, and we've just started doing Act 1. At the end of Act 1 is the famous love duet. This is when Pinkerton has been left alone with his bride, Butterfly, for the first time. It's the evening of the wedding, and he has to overcome her shyness and intrepidation in order to woo her.
At this moment, it's true, it's pure. He really falls for her, she falls for him in a way. He ends up leaving because he thinks he must. But it's a really tricky moment, and to get it just right, it's the magic of all opera contained in this scene, I think.
Puccini said this opera is his masterpiece. So I should agree with him because the melody and harmony are so beautiful and wonderful.
It feels very special to be part of this WNO production because it is such a landmark production. It's something that's utterly in the canon. It's something that, people within WNO and people who are regular, WNO audience, they say, oh, it's Butterfly, we must go.
You can't come watch this production and walk away feeling nothing, maybe even changed. It's just, to me, splendid.
If you are familiar with opera, it contains all the things that you love. There's drama, there's passion, there's beautiful costumes, there's amazing sets, there's incredible performances. If you're new to opera, then those are all the reasons that Madame Butterfly is one of the best shows that we do.